might be shaped like a kidney bean. That's the jugular foramen. If I put the stick through, I can look at the jugular foramen from the other side. Comes out right next to the occipital condyle, behind or medial to the external acoustic meatus. And then the indentation just anterior to the jugular foramen is the carotid canal or carotid foramen. And the mandibular fossa is just lateral to the carotid canal. That's where the mandible, the mandibular condyle, articulates. The sphenoid bone is shaped like a big moth, winged creature. So it's this bone here. The greater wings is the main part of the wings of the sphenoid bone. The lesser wings make this ridge that goes across the top and look to me more like steer horns. The optic canal is this hole here. And if I look at it through the eye, the orbit, it's the perfectly round hole at the back of the orbit. And this area here is the sella turcica, the Turkish saddle. Sella turcica. So it looks like a little saddle area where a little rider could sit there. Okay. So if I look at this sinus model, here was the frontal sinus. Here is half of the sella turcica. We can kind of see the indentation or the notch that goes to the sella turcica. And this hollowed out space is the sphenoidal sinus. So it is the most posterior of the sinuses. It's behind the nose. The ethmoid bone is on top of the nose, kind of into the nose. So it's anterior to the sphenoid bone. The Cribriform Plate surrounds this ridge in the center and has holes going through it. So the bone surrounding the holes is the Cribriform Plate. The holes are called the Cribriform